Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find the Facebook business account ID in Meta Business Suite. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Meta, click the Create New Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Finding your Facebook business account ID in Meta Business Suite is a straightforward process. Many third-party marketing tools and analytics platforms require your business account ID for integration, and this ID helps these tools sync with your Facebook business account and access the data or perform actions, especially in terms of the customer relationship management or CRM systems. It often needs your business account ID to link and synchronize with your Facebook business data. Now, for us to be able to find the Facebook business account ID, I need you to hover to your Meta business account, all right, or the dashboard. And from here, we simply need to go to the settings. Now, select the business portfolio account and then go to the business portfolio info. You see, this is going to be the Facebook business account ID numbers. All right. Now, having this information, it is crucial that all data and settings are transferred correctly, because for advanced tracking and analytics, custom dashboards or reporting setups may require your business account ID to pull the relevant data. In that sense, implementing custom tracking scripts or pixels may involve your business account ID for accurate data collection and reporting. But the thing is, if you encounter any problems along the way getting your Facebook business data, you might want to hover to this option, which is the Facebook Help Center. Try typing in your problem to see if you get an answer. Otherwise, hover here to where it says Help and Support. Click on the Report a Problem and help us improve that. Include and report and choose an area. And that's going to be your page, right? You can put in detail here and attach a file or a screenshot of the problem. Once the file has been attached, click on Submit, and one of the Facebook support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting guidelines on how to potentially fix the problem if you encounter any issue finding the Facebook business account ID on your Meta business account. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.